Hey YouTube, Abdel Carfix, and today I want to show you something about Honda. This is 2015 Honda Fit, and we're changing the sway bar link. This is the one I took out, and they were making a little noise whenever you, especially Hondas, guys. Hondas always they go bad. These sway bar on Hondas, I changed a lot of them, and I think I have a video about it. On this one, we're interesting on those cars. Both goes same direction. What you see on other cars, they go the opposite directions. What I mean with that, I'll show you an example here. This one right here, as you see, it will go on Honda, at least this Honda. Always keep an eye on how you take them out, because if you don't, every car is different, but most cars I ran into, they're different. See this one, how it goes in the back, comes here and comes here. See how it comes out? So it's facing outside, both bolts. Most cars are actually the one will face this way and the other will face the other way. On this Honda, at least on this Honda Fit, they face up this way and they have right and they have left, guys. I bought them from the dealer. Believe it or not, the dealer was cheaper than the local auto part. So the original ones, genuine Honda parts, were cheaper than AutoZone or O'Reilly. So if you look in here, I bought two of them. If you look in here, it tells you this one, left side, okay, and that's the number there if you want to get the number, okay, and this one is the right side. Just indicate here, right side. You see the R? That's link, right front, the F4 front. And you see the part number is different. Okay? So there is a right and there's a left. Be aware of that. Make sure you know which one goes on which side. So this is the passenger side, the right side, and the other one, the left, is the driver side. So remember that. And basically a symbol to do them. It's a 14 mil. And I believe it's a T20 to get them out. I was able to get them out without that, but anyway, so the bolts are that holds it in place. I'll show you real quick here how to do it, which is really simple. Again, buy them from Honda. You get them cheaper than anybody else for some reason. I don't know, that's weird. But once in a while, I check with the dealer on parts, and I find sometimes equal or close to what the aftermarket. So basically, here you go. You put one in here like that, and the other one comes. So remember, both actually comes facing out like this, okay? And you go ahead and screw the two bolts. I bought the bolts. They come separate from Honda. You don't have. It does not come with the sway bar. You have to buy it separately, and that's the part number for it, guys. I'll show you in a second. That's the part number for it. See that? It comes 4 in there. So you attach them and you tie them, and you're good to go from there. Make sure they're good and snug, and you should be good from there. I hope this helps somebody. If Honda makes clinking noises when especially when you go over humps or potholes or even driveway. This car, every time they roll out of the driveway, they hear clunking noise. So it did the same thing in front of my shop. In front of my shop, there's a little bit of kind of step, a small step there, and every time we roll in and out, we'll make that noise. So I got it all the way down to those linkage, what was doing that. And they do get worn out, and on Hondas, and you have to change them every like 80,000 miles, 70,000 miles, they go bad. So that's where the problem is with those Hondas. Thank you for watching my video again. I hope it helps somebody, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Like my videos.